Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Maggi omelet at home. This quick and easy recipe is perfect for a satisfying breakfast or a light snack. You'll only need a few simple ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. Let's gather everything we need to get started on this delightful culinary adventure. It's a fantastic way to elevate your instant noodles. First, let's prepare our Maggi noodles. Boil 1½ cups of water in a small pan. Once boiling, add the 2 packets of Maggi noodles along with their tastemaker sachets. Cook this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until most of the water has been absorbed. We want the noodles to be perfectly soft but not overly mushy, as this forms the delicious base for our omelet. Now let's create the omelet mixture. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs until they are light and frothy. Finely chop 1 small onion, 1 green chili, and a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Gently fold the cooked Maggi noodles into the whisked eggs. Season this delightful mixture with about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper for perfect flavor balance. Finally, it's time to fry our amazing Maggi omelet. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, pour the entire Maggi egg mixture into the pan, spreading it evenly. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Serve your delicious Maggi omelet immediately and enjoy this unique, flavorful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.